So today we will learn about JSON. JSON or JavaScript Object Notation is a lightweight data format used for storing and exchanging data between the server and the client. It is easy to read and write for both humans and machines. JSON is based on key value pair similar to JavaScript object and is widely used in APIs. Let's have a look at the JSON example. Here, name, age, and city are always string. However, values can be string, number, object, arrays, boolean, etc. Let's have a look at another example, JSON with array. Here, the JSON structure represents a list of students, each with a name and age. Now, let's have a look at the project we will be working on. We want a list of employees and whether or not they are in the office. We will use AJAX to request JSON data from the server. In the real world, we keep this list of employees and their status in a database and have a server-side script that can spit out the JSON file when requested. But to keep our project simple, we're gonna use a JSON file with JSON formatted data. I will show you what that JSON data might look, but you don't have to follow along with me because the JSON file is ready for you to use in the next video. I will start with an array. Each item on the list will be one employee and his or her status in the office. So add the object, add name, Oliver Smith, comma, in office, true. The first property in this object is name. It has a string value, Oliver Smith. The second property is in office. This is used to list the status of the employee. It has the value true, meaning Oliver is in the office. Now, let's add another object after a comma. Name, Emily Brown. In office, true. This way, we can keep adding more employees, as many as we want. JSON is also picky. It's easy to make mistake, and if a JSON file isn't correctly formatted, you will usually end up with a JavaScript error. To help you determine if a file is a valid JSON or not, we can use online validator, JSONlint. Let's see if this is valid JSON or not. Click validate JSON. So this is a valid JSON. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will parse JSON. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.